Welcome to MVP Auto, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. I'm your host, and I'm excited to share with you the latest updates on the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan. But before we dive into the details, let me take a moment to introduce our channel and share a bit of our background. MVP Auto was founded by a team of car enthusiasts who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and expertise with the world. Our team has years of experience in the automotive industry, and we're dedicated to providing our viewers with accurate and unbiased information. Now, let's talk about the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan. This car has been making waves in the automotive world, and for good reason. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and advanced features, the Mazda 3 Sedan is a force to be reckoned with. Starting with the exterior, the Mazda 3 Sedan boasts a stunning design that's sure to turn heads. Its sleek lines, curved roof, and bold front grille make it a standout on the road. And with a range of colors to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect hue to match your style. Under the hood, the Mazda 3 Sedan packs a punch. Its 2.5-liter turbocharged engine produces an impressive 250 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. And with its advanced all-wheel drive system, you'll have the traction and control you need to take on any road. Inside, the Mazda 3 Sedan is just as impressive. Its premium interior features luxurious materials, heated and ventilated seats, and advanced technology like an 8.8-inch infotainment screen and a 12-speaker Bose sound system. But what really sets the Mazda 3 Sedan apart is its advanced safety features. With its Mazda radar cruise control, smart brake support, and lane departure warning, you'll have the peace of mind you need to drive with confidence. Now, let's talk about the MSRP. The 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan starts at around $22,000, making it an affordable option for anyone looking for a luxurious and feature-packed sedan. In conclusion, the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan is a car that's sure to impress. With its stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced features, it's a must-see for anyone in the market for a new sedan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to MVP Auto for more car reviews, news, and updates. If you're new here, consider subscribing before you leave. We have new content uploaded regularly, and we'd love to have you join our community. See you in the next video.